Ready to elevate your product mockups and creative art projects by seamlessly wrapping images onto surfaces. Here's how in Adobe Photoshop, step by step, using the powerful picture on surface technique. First, gather your elements, the image to project and the base image with the surface open both in Photoshop. Open the image you want to project and use a selection tool, like the lasso or quick selection tool. To isolate it, refine the selection for a clean edge. After isolating, copy to the clipboard. Back to your base image, select the area of the surface where you want the image be precise, outlining the wall, a box, or any object. This is key for realism. Taste the image position and scale within the selected surface area. Experiment with size and placement. The image should be on a separate layer above the surface layer. In the Layers panel, with the image layer selected, change the blending mode. Experiment with multiply, overlay, or soft light to match lighting and colors. Choose Edit, Transform, and click Warp. Use the control points on the warp grid to shape and morph the image to the surface's contours, bend, curve, and mold the image to look natural. After warping, refine by adding a subtle blur or adjusting the opacity to help it blend. Also, use the eraser to remove parts outside the surface. There you have it, a realistic picture on surface effect. Mastering the picture on surface technique lets you create stunning visuals. Practice and watch your creations come to life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks. #texture mapping #Photoshop tricks.